This was a case where private business interests and other state agencies were witch hunting our client for the sole purpose of picking the gun and taking away the gun. That having succeeded, we were given an order to take to the Firearms Licensing Board. The order is dated the 29th of May 2018, where the gun was returned to the accused, to one Chris Obure. That gun has been in the safe custody of Chris Obure. The DPP has now approved to charge Chris Obure. The CCTV footage that was aired by Citizen TV is very clear that the gun was stolen by his bodyguard. He was nowhere. He was at Kempinski when the alleged murder was done. The CCTV footage captures the bodyguard, the first accused person, taking the gun at 6 in the morning very early, returning it at the night, dusting the gun, wiping the gun, taking a bullet and replacing the bullet that had done the job. And therefore, the DPP and the DCI, within their battles that they are facing, they have decided to charge our client. We are objecting that under the law, Chris Obure should be a state witness. He should not be an accused person. The evidence that was there was not presented to the DPP. And that is why we are saying we want the plea taking to be deferred until the DPP himself is forwarded that tape, that recording, because the DCI never forwarded that evidence. Had he forwarded that evidence of the CCTV footage, then Chris could be a state witness. That is why we are objecting that the court has agreed with us that taking a plea drastically changes the status of a person. Chris, the second accused person, is a prominent businessman, a legitimate businessman who pays taxes, who is the branch head of the African region where his big company, the mother company, is registered in the US. It is business that has gone sour. The accused person, the deceased person, was never a friend. He's never even been to the accused person's, Chris's house. Neither was he there. Therefore, that is why we are shocking that this is proper raw abuse of state power. The criminal power, Article 157, that mandates the DPP to decide who to charge, should be exercised judiciously, should be exercised with caution in regard to public interest. And let us not have trumped charges being brought against the second accused person. We shall deliberate the matters tomorrow